Here we are in Keswick, looking along the Greta here, the Greta River, towards the town, up towards Market Square up there. The coaches come in, a lot of visitors, tourists, some international, walking, etc. Seen a few French, Americans and Dutch. Looking across the Greta there towards Latrigg, and we've got the old Cumberland pencil factory here, owned by now Keswick Ministries, and they go some reservation there, but they're going to demolish this building to the left here. All change here in Keswick for Keswick Ministries. Car park being just there. Museum down on the right there. This is Keswick. Town centre being up there. You can see the spire there for possibly St John's Church. Hills in the background there. Keswick, here in the lakes.